It's very emotional for me to be here. I had the privilege to work with that fantastic team and in that fantastic country the last 4.5 years. Where we've been starting our journey in Hyderabad, in Pune with our warehousing, then in Mumbai, our 2 stores now, I'm in Mumbai and Borne, and finally we have been fighting for this. I still remember 2018, we have been sitting here doing the groundbreaking on that site. And I think at that time Chief Minister talked about an opening in 3 months. I said, okay, let's go for 4 months. One pandemic later, one war later, and some other stuff later, now we finally have been arriving here. And you don't know, and then you always have some water in the face. One water, it goes 2 years because you're sweating like hell. You're really sweating like hell, not only from the work, but there's so many challenges and problems to land here, to organize and do things, even during the pandemic where we have been settling here. A fantastic example how you can build up a store, construct a store in the most safe manner and caring for people and the environment, how we did that here, and fantastic example. On the other hand, then when it comes to the opening, you will see tomorrow or today we'll see a lot of tears in the eyes of the many people we have been able to bring to the IKEA family. So the new co-workers coming here, all the colleagues what are sitting there, they will have a lot of release of all the sweat what they've been doing, and they will have tears in the eyes. It's a very emotional moment, which you cannot imagine if you not sit there, but you will feel it. I always love IKEA. I'm 29 years in IKEA, and these are the moments when you open a store. These are the moments you know why you do it and why you love that so much. I think what you can always say, we have a unique range, and Susanna was talking a lot about this inspiration. There's a fantastic...
Yeah?
No, start, ma'am.
Loudly, okay. So today we are extremely happy to start to welcome our dear media friends, and tomorrow we open for the customers the first big store in Karnataka in Bengaluru.
How many stores are there in India?
In India, this is the number 4th store. We have 1 in Hyderabad, 2 in Mumbai, a big store in Mumbai and the city store, and this is the 4th store in Bengaluru, and it's a big size, the biggest in India so far, with 4.6 lakh square feet.
What is unique in IKEA stores?
The uniqueness is in the range, in the offer, in the way we meet. It's many things. I can say it's the way we do business, it's the way we design our products. It's all under one roof. It's for the whole of the home. When you come here, you have all the solutions you can need to create a good life in your home.
What's the total investment to this company?
The total investment committed in India is 10,500 crores, and that's a long-term investment, and that's the start of our investments in India.
Just say people can start coming in from 22nd.
Yes, and from the 22nd of June we welcome all the people in Bengaluru and our customers to come to the store and visit and have the experience of the full IKEA range and a big size store. So warmly welcome.
That's it.